This tire pressure monitoring system from LETOURWM gives recreational vehicle and truck drivers continuous readings for 6 tires, covering everything from standard trailers to longer fifth wheels with confidence-inspiring range. The combination of solar panel and modern wired charging means the display stays powered on long trips without you having to worry about swapping batteries. Its large, bright screen with an integrated clock is easy to read in daylight or at night, and the rotating mount lets you position it exactly where it is most visible while driving. The sensors track both pressure and temperature with quick refreshes, so you are warned early about slow leaks or overheating that could otherwise lead to a blowout. Multiple warning types for pressure, temperature, and sensor issues, delivered with both visual and audible alerts, help you catch problems quickly instead of discovering them after damage is done. Rugged, weather-sealed sensors are built to handle rain, dust, and road grime, making this system well-suited for year-round use on recreational vehicles, trucks, and trailers.